Uh, in today's ICP, our topic is about computer neural networks, and we are asked to do about the four tasks like changing four hyperparameters in the source code, and I'm going to indicate the four hyperparameters in my report, which I have changed in the source code, and I'm going to give my opinion why these changes are logical. So. Uh, and in addition to this to this model, I have browsed the 5 new images which are randomly selected from the internet, and executing all those things I will show you today. Coming to uh, coming to libraries, as usual, in the start I have imported all the libraries. So in this part of ICP, as required for my task, as you can see, I have in this format of the data, uh, I have imported all the required libraries for my required task. And coming to this format of the data, I have uh, coming to this format of the data. Uh, we can have a channel of cipher 10, name it last, and then and this is the seeding. We are giving the 7 number. As you can see here, we have given the seeding. We are giving the 7, and so that we can reproduce we can reproduce the same result, and we are loading the data. And the cipher 10, we are putting the data into the train and test, and then we are scaling the data by dividing by 255. And as you can see here, we have for the output, we are doing the hot encoding so that we all get the result in the encoded format for the output. And coming to down, the data has been downloaded, and if you look for the shape of the input data, we have given 3232, and so the 3 number of channels, and we have a size of image by 3232. So this is the model which has been given into the ICP. So we have implemented the same model, and later on we have implemented the model which has been instructed for the given ICP, so that we will get the good performance. And next, coming to this model sequential, we have compiled the model sequence, nothing but just model sequence, and we fit the data with, as you can see here, we have fit the data with epoch of 15, only 15. So total it's a 15 epochs, and fitted over the train data. And for the validation data, we have taken the test data here. It ran for more than 40 minutes. So we can minimize this time by using here runtime. We can click on change runtime type, and we can use as you can see, we can keep the GPU, so that this runtime will take a very short time. Otherwise it will take more than half an hour. And the second model, to see how the performance is changing over the same data, so we have created the data, we created the model as foreign given into the question. So this model which has been created, as you can see here, is the summary of the model. We have added so many convolution layer and dropout layer and max polling layer, and we also use the flatten and dropouts. And at the end, we created a dense. As you can see, dense layer with the 10 output, and classes we have to into the image is 10. Then we have fitted the model or tree, and the data same way we have done for the previous model also. So here the model name is, as you can see here, the model name is epoch 1 and epoch 2, like that. And after that image is nothing but a shape. So if you see, the first one is a aeroplane. This is the aeroplane, which is good for second. Also it is also this images are nothing but a shape of first 5 images which we where I have given here in the data. I have taken these 5: airplane, automobile, bird, cat and deer. So according to the prediction, uh, I have generated the image for five images, and